Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the problem with constant Wi-Fi disconnections on your Android. Please friends put likes under the video, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel pause. And let's get started. So friends, for this, you will need to open settings on your Android. Then go to Wi-Fi or connectivity, depending on who has what settings on their phone. Next, folks, the first thing you can do is to scroll down to the bottom and then select Wi-Fi. And then you'll need to find, friends, the option that's responsible for auto-connecting or auto-switching to mobile data. So, friends, when you turn this option on, when you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, you will instantly switch to mobile data. So you will have a constant connection to the internet, and there will be no problems or interruptions. If you've tried this method, but you still have problems connecting to Wi-Fi and the internet in general, then please go back to the Wi-Fi settings. Here you will need to open the Wi-Fi point you are currently connected to. And first of all, you will need to make sure that you have auto connection to this Wi-Fi point activated here. If not, then enable it. Next, I recommend that you delete this Wi-Fi hotspot, but before you do that, make sure that you remember the password to this Wi-Fi. After you delete this Wi-Fi, friends, I recommend you to reboot your phone and after rebooting reconnect to the Wi-Fi. And also connect auto-connect to this network. This simple action can solve your problem of having your Wi-Fi constantly disconnecting. This is how, friends, you can fix the problem of having constant Wi-Fi disconnection on your Android. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.